Good morning, everybody, and welcome back to another episode of Definitely Not Mechanics. And we've got the entire crew here today. Shocking. Hey, who's already been messing with it? It was laid out so nicely.
Laid out? What are you talking about? This is ghetto as...
No, it's not. Look how nice those ends are. I took those off my own truck. Hey, be careful, because it's kind of looped around the fuel sending unit.
Should we... Of course. Should we take this off before we open the hood?
Hold on. Nope. Yep. You can't open the hood.
Oh my
if that's on.
Don't even bother.
It was a permanent installation. Open it. I want you guys to see what kind of work I did.
You taped it all down, so like it's permanent, but now we have to make it non-permanent?
Yeah, you did that on purpose.
It's fucking amateur hour over here.
Oh, man.
Wow, Logan.
Hey, you want to know something great? Don't mess with that one too much. Do you know what's under that heat shrink? A zip tie.
Sick. Yeah, I see it.
Hey, look at our belt. I bought 4 belts. That was the only one that came close to fitting, so I just jammed some duct tape in there to fill the gap.
Oh my god. Let's crank her up.
Yeah. I didn't charge it.
What?
Just before you even asked about the battery, I didn't charge it. Go. You almost, oh yeah, you went too far.
Too far. You know what? It's fine.
No, I don't think it is. Are you ready? Close your eyes.
Hold on, let me get...
Cover your eyes, come on. You ready?
Close your eyes.
Yeah, I got the picture there.
The rust bucket.
Look, I even got the diamond.
You're fucking
awesome.
What do you mean? I spent like an hour on this.
Why?
So we could run it into things in videos?
Just walking around.
All right. Man, the attention to detail is just wicked.
Yeah, everything is spot on accurate.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, how did it go, Zach?
So the reenactment was come in, right?
And then the pole just jumped out.
All right, we need gas and air in this tire, right?
Yep, there's a racetrack right across the street.
All right, let's go.
Okay, now we got discombobulation here. Go for it. Is it dead? Dead ass. What?
No power.
We just
did this
off camera.
Jiggle the ignition. Start now.
Yeah. Oh.
Action is just like your wife when you're in bed.
On the far right.
Good. Our alternator should be working. Do we have battery gauge? We have no gauges. I guess I'll sit in the back.
That's all you got.
Oh.
I'll come sit behind. You know what?
Yeah.
Get in, loser! Oh, we gotta pop the sunroof.
Hold on, let me install the battery hold down real quick. Alright, let's
Yeah! We're doing things.
remember our list? Rear brake line? What do we need that for? We're definitely gonna catch right there. I catch on it every day.
Just send it.
Yes!
We're driving!
Oh man, this drives so good.
I'm just doing hood rat shoot with my friends. How are the brakes?
Not an option or not shit? He's sitting on a milk crate. Maybe I should get up on the hood and hold the battery.
Alright, there it goes.
Are you gonna see if it'll break loose? No, I said punch it. Stick your foot through the rust hole and kick it. Hey, can you turn down the exhaust a little bit so we can get better footage? Hold this. This was such a nice neighborhood before I moved in. Punch it! Bottom out if I jump up and down back there. Oh God. Don't do that! This is terrible. That's horrible. That's what 147 horsepower sounds like, bitch. We're going on a trip in our favorite piece of shit. Going to the moon. Oh, the ground is caving. That's fire. That's 100% fire. You know that, right? I should have brought the gimbal. Zach, slow down. Slow down, Zach. I'm standing in a rust hole. Bring it in. Keep coming. Quietly turn the exhaust down, please. A little more, a little more. Keep going. You're good. You're good. All right, pop the hood ding diddly there. But
Man, this did so good. And the belt held like a champ.
did it really?
Yeah.
Oh, screw you guys. I'm the smartest person alive.
I wouldn't go that far in life, but you know.
Well, that belt was definitely too big, and I wrapped it in duct tape, and now it's perfect.
Man.
All right, now on to the next mission.
Yeah, I kind of want to go wheeling.
Yeah. Kind of do too. Yep.
The Bronco work?
No.
No.
We can take his truck though.
Did get a lift kit.
I did.
We gotta test it.
And we need to show it off.
Let's go mudding.
Woo!
You're not gonna do no donuts.
Where?
Just like right here. Look at it. It's just flat.
No.
Close to the neighborhood.
Shit! Motherfucker! Zach, tell me about this.
What?
Truck.
6-inch rough country lift. Everybody, most people, oh, rough country this, rough country that. Actually, it's been pretty fucking solid. Really smooth. Got brand new knuckles for the lift. They also have a 4-inch top hat with a 2-inch spacer underneath the cap of the spring or the strut. Got sway bar drop brackets. We got new front and rear cross member brackets. I put the shield on yesterday. Well, these are my normal Vision wheels, 20x9 with the 0 offset that I've had for over a year. But we put on the Cooper Discover STT Pro 37 by 12.5 on there. Really grippy. And then on the rear, it's rough country shocks with a 4-inch block and bracket spacers for all the lines.
Well, congratulations to us for being monetized and stuff. We got 1,000 subscribers thanks to you guys, and we've got over 4,000 watch hours. So that means we're gonna start making like $6 a month from this.
Yeah.
I'll quit my fucking job.
Yeah. Oh, definitely notmechanics.com. Merch. We got new stuff added all the time. We got the hats, this hat, that beanie.
This shirt's on there.
That shirt was on there, but in a nicer quote. Oh, we're out of stock. Okay. Well,
Shirts on there.
that shirt's on there.
I think we're out of stock on that one too.
What kind of merch store are we running here?
A shitty one.
Well, we don't, you know, we leave all the new stuff for our subscribers and we just wear the old stuff.
Yep. Sick.
But jump on there, definitely-not-mechanics.com. You can find all your merch. We got drawstring backpacks, neck gaiters.
I got mud all over me. What? Ew.
Is it wet?
Well, the wind is
I had a hoodie on.
the wind is kicking up right now. But thanks, guys, for everything. Appreciate it. Keep watching. We got some exciting projects on the way. I know the whole time in this last year, it's been us just fixing things or chopping things
But now
off.
we're breaking things.
But now we're actually going to start going wheeling, and we're actually going to start using stuff. And, you know, the Bronco's going to get a bunch of parts that we'll be able to go do this kind of stuff, but a little bit more extreme than crawling down a hill.
That's a lot of talking.
Daily driver, bro.
Daily driver. Look at this. Look at this. You look at this? Look at it. Look at it.
Look at it.
Would you look at it?
Just look at it.
Definitely Not Mechanics on YouTube. Definitely Not Mechanics.com. Peace out, everyone.
Hold on, my camera got mud on.